What happened to your iPad, you said, sir?
My 3-year-old got mad because it died. She throws it. After she throws it, she goes and just stomps on it like. And then my other daughter called me. Well, my other daughter called me. And when I called her to see what she want, I'm bringing her back. And then when we come back, my other daughter over there stomping on it.
Oh my God.
Doing a Nardo wick. I'm like, yo.
Don't worry. I got you.
Crazy.
Your iPad is ready, sir. Now it's good to go.
Good Lord. She's gonna love it.
I hope so.
Yeah, she will. She don't care. As long as it worked, I'm happy.
That's good.
Save me some money.
So.
Did a great job and real fast.